Hello everyone, today we are going to see another skincare review, Etude Jung Emulsion. This is another Korean skincare brand, Etude House. Etude House is owned by South Korean cosmetic brand called Amore Pacific. This is an emulsion, but still it can be used as a moisturizer because emulsions are going to be lightweight than a cream or a moisturizer. Here are the ingredient list of this product. So first thing is water. It does have glycerin, which is a humectant. It has propanediol as preservative. So totally it does have minimal ingredient list. It is not so long. Squalene is the oil used in this product, and it has panthenol, which is soothing ingredient. It has few good fatty alcohols in it, which is good emulsifier. It has tea leaf extract as the last ingredient, which is good for every skin type. So it comes in a 120 ml bottle like this, and it is sold for I think 1200 or around 1000. It's fragrance free, paraben free, essential oil free, mineral oil free.
There's no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue.
As you can see, the container is sleek and long one. Also, it has a pump dispenser, which is really convenient to use. The product looks travel friendly too. The consistency, you can see it's like watery. It looks like milk, but it's fast absorbing formula. After absorbed, I can see the smoothness. It is not sticky or tacky. Also, I feel it's hydrating and layerable as well. I have oily skin. I really like this lightweight consistency, but dry skin people may like to use one more layer if you want. It's non-sticky finish, so you can layer. I noticed it didn't cause any kind of acne breakout after using it consistently for 2 to 3 weeks now. I did not notice any kind of reaction, but I felt moisturized and it feels properly hydrated. Also, it did not get greasy or oily after this. Overall, a very good product to use as a moisturizer for both face and body. So I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you liked it.
There's no gravity.